What's up, YouTube and TikTok? It's a boy Ethics fan, that guy who chases money better than your ex. So, guys, have you seen the video Jamelo? Because, okay, let me just give you, yeah,
Dintsha ngimelo. Jo itse jo. Lo so ke lo cheka, mtsala ke lo cheka media ke mphe mo mbare ke thandiwe bya no mswe.
Wa jola.
Yeah.
Come on.
Thandi.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, or yeah, go feel around no Melo that, Melo this. Guys, what about his cameraman? Because, guys, his cameraman is also funny, guys. I know, like, Melo spread that humor buff on TikTok. He's doing the most, but Melo won't be able to do what he's doing right now beside his cameraman, because his cameraman is also making sure Melo he flows on the video because we communicate earlier.
Dintsha.
Virale jo. Mfana. Imisitse mfana ngoba baba mfana.
Ubanisitse.
Emona.
Waya.
Kama bra ngoba baba.
Yo we.
I don't know if you guys have realized that, because guys, now like I'm into his cameraman and also him too. Alright, these guys, if the cameraman was not there, Melo the person he is right now, because his cameraman, hey, that guy boy.
Mata ke ne ke ka o tsena mpiye somara. Mpiye somara.
O ya ga.
Ke ga ntlhele ban rumi.
Ba rumile. Kopa ke maoto ke tlo palla itse.
No.
Hey, it's fun, guys. I also need I need a cameraman, someone who is like Melo's cameraman, because Lena, guys, I want to be like Melo. Yeah, Melo, guy, my guy, I'm a big fan of your content, and then I'm also trying to find someone who is like your cameraman. Because if I get that cameraman, you guys, yes. Bona, shout out to Melo and his cameraman, because both they go along. Besides his cameraman, I don't think Melo would be Melo. The Melo's cameraman is hey Bona, hey dog, they stick to something together. Yeah, make a sense, and then they will be fun. Without Melo's cameraman, I don't think Melo is Melo. So Lena, guys, can you please find me or help me to find that cameraman? Or if you are that kind of a guy, perfect, I'll communicate behind the camera, also when I'm on the camera, or on or in, but you guys understand. So